Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can hide out of stock product variants on Shopify. Now, if you have like a product with multiple colors or multiple sizes and one like color is always out of stock because people like purchase it the most, I'm going to show you guys how you can just remove it altogether. If the product is out of stock, it's not going to appear here. Okay, it's not going to appear. For example, if you have like three colors, one of them is like blue and green and white, and people purchase the green and now it's out of stock, it's not going to appear here anymore. Customers will only see two colors instead of seeing three colors, because what's the point of having this color here but it's out of stock? That's just doesn't make any sense. Okay, so to remove it, or like to remove anything that goes out of stock, it will be removed here in the product page. You just need to go to your own Shopify. By the way, this works on all teams. Okay, it doesn't matter what team you are using, this will work. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here on online store here in the left. And after that, you want to click here on three little dots next to customize, and then click on edit code. Okay, so here you want to search for base.css. Now, this is not going to be the case if you, for example, you can either search for base.css or theme.css or style.css. Like, this is going to be different. Okay, but let's just search for .css and see if we can find the file. As you can see, anything that ends in .css is the file you need to click on. Now for me, it's base.css. Okay, click on it. Okay, just click on base.css, and you need to scroll down at the very bottom and you need to paste the code here that I'm going to add in the description of this video. Just copy the code, as you can see, and paste it at the very bottom here. Okay, the bottom, as you can see, and then after that you want to click on save, and that's it. Okay, now as you can see, the this size is out of stock, but when I reload the page, it's going to disappear. It's not going to be it's not going to show here anymore. Like, only 4 different sizes are available, but the fourth one is not here anymore, because we programmed now Shopify to show only products that are available in our Shopify product page. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and tell me your questions. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. And drop a like if this video brings value to you guys. See you guys next video.